Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about Vega Propress fittings and assembling them. So here is a 1/2 inch copper Propress 90, and it's similar to a 1/2 inch copper 90, one that you would solder, except that this one has a special O-ring inside it, and it gets fitted up pretty much the same way as you would conventional copper. So you would cut the copper, as this is cut right here, and instead of cleaning it and flexing it, you would just then push this fitting right on. I'm holding the camera with the other hand, so I don't have two hands to use. But you would push that in until the full insertion depth, till it doesn't go in anymore. And then what we do is mark it, just so that we know when we actually go to fit it up. Sometimes they might pull out a little bit before you press them, just to be sure that they're inserted all the way. And once they're inserted all the way, then you would then take the Propress tool. This is 1/2 inch. This tool is this Propress tool. It's made by Milwaukee. It's the lightest version of them. It does 1/2 inch through 1.25 inch. You have to buy the 1.25 inch head separately. So it comes with heads for 1/2 inch to 1 inch. So here I have assembled already this T, and we're going to cut in a mixing valve here. This mixing valve didn't come through with Propress connection, so I had to solder this one joint. But these are all pressed, and you can see I have my markers, my magic marker lines, so that if it pulls out, I'll know about it. So again, all we do is just put this on and push the button. And that's it. That takes the place of soldering, cleaning, and flexing in a fraction of a second. Well, fraction of a minute. And you can have a closer look at it if the camera focuses. There we go. And these Propress fittings, say you forgot one, say you forgot to press one, they have a little keyway inside them so that they'll purposely leak if you forgot to press one. So with air or water, so you'll know right away if you missed one. So I pressed that top fitting, but the other two on that T are still remaining to be pressed. So I'm going to press them right now. And again, I'm doing this with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other. That was so hard. I'm exhausted from pressing that fitting. Okay, here we go. One more. These tests are somewhere around 250 pounds. And there goes the light. I'll put the light back on. So here we have our 3 press joints, and you can tell they're pressed because they have this little ding on the side. That's actually a little sharp. What I do is when I'm done, I get my pliers and just take the rough out of that, because that could actually cut somebody if you brush up against it. But this is all, instead of being cleaned and flexed and soldered, it's just pressed, and that didn't take me long at all. This is the kit I use. It comes with, this is the 1/2 inch head that's on it, 3/4, 1 inch, and I purchased the 1.25 inch separately. That's the model number, 2473-20. They do have other kits, and other companies like Rigid makes different Propress, but this is cordless. And it's ideal for, going job to job, fitting up boilers, water heaters, and you can do all the water piping in a fraction of the time. It's an unbelievable time saver. And pretty soon, I don't think plumbers are going to carry around torches, in the next 10 years or so, because everything's going to be just mechanical and speed oriented. So thank you for watching my videos.